So what we're doing, what is it called?
Flour.
A flour. Using a spoon. Melting at the candle. There's stormy. It's kind of windy, so the candles is moving. What's that? A hair and a woman. Man and a woman. How do you melt that? You put it stick together. Yep, just stick together. Get back together. How do you stick that, girl? Hey, girl. Adventure time. Be careful. Shh. Oh, you have a nice flower. How much?
Got to make more.
One
more.
But we need 5 spoons, so we just only have 4 spoons.
We give this to Lola for Mother's Day.
Yep, our grandma. Kind of windy, so I think the storm stops or some more storms. There's some bikes over here and some table chair, and there's some little room. I just love it. There's a fire. Fire, come out! Come out, come out! Okay, there's a tag of man in the room. Burn, baby. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby. Burn, baby, burn. Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is okay. Do you think it is okay?
Yep, yappy.
Okay, let's melt.
That's Mama J. That's Mama J. And I am Jessica Galasmi. So, please subscribe us. We're just sisters. Oops, I just farted. Please like our channels and comment out in our videos and subscribe. That's the important thing. Thanks. Thanks, y'all. We're making a flower for Mother's Day. It's almost Mother's Day. It is May 9, right?
12!
No, May.
It's already May 10.
Oh, May 10? Oh my gosh, 2 days. To sleep. It's Mother's Day. To all moms everywhere, Happy Mother's Day.
Parang sa puso mo.
Mon, special mo. Ooh. Look like a clover. Nice. Oh my gosh, a flower. Oh my gosh, a flower. Like this. Like this. Oh my god.
Anong cute?
Oh.
Anong mas cute dito?
I like the green. Yep, the green.
This is actually yellow.
Aloha. Aloha, baby. If you want to plant this to your mom's or to your grandma to plant this, I think my sister will gonna teach you how. Mama J. Yep, if you watch her other videos. Well, thanks guys. Bye. I hope you enjoy.